Hey everyone, welcome back to Stitching Elite. Today, we'll make a drawstring bag using an old sheet. First, let's iron the sheet. Then, cut out two rectangles measuring 38 by 45 centimeters. Two pieces in total. Now, we'll find a point on one of the rectangles where we can cut a semicircle that touches three sides. Fold the rectangle in half and cut out the semicircle along the line we drew. Using fabric chalk, lightly draw the eyes, nose, and mouth of a panda on the fabric. Take a piece of black fabric and place it behind the eye shape, then sew it down. Do the same for the nose. Because the chalk marks can easily transfer, we'll trim them off after sewing. I'm using a soft, furry fabric reminiscent of winter. Cut out the eye shapes and place them upside down on the main fabric. Align the eyes properly. Add the mouth. Cut two ear shapes, approximately 8 centimeters in size. Now, take the two rectangular pieces and sew them together along the curved edge with their right sides facing each other. After sewing, trim the seam allowance and turn the bag right side out. Now our ears are ready. Let's attach the ears to the bag using pins to hold them in place. Then, we'll sew them on securely using black thread. I like to sew around the ears a few times for extra durability. Repeat the same process to attach the other ear. Once done, remove all the pins. Now, the face is complete. Next, we'll create the channel for the drawstring. Measure 9 centimeters down from the top edge and cut a 1 centimeter slit. Fold the top edge of the fabric twice to encase the raw edge, folding the edge 3 centimeters this time. Sew along the folded edge to create the channel. I'll skip showing this step. Now, cut two strips of fabric measuring 10 by 5 centimeters. Fold each strip in half lengthwise with the right sides facing each other and sew along the long edge. The ears should be positioned approximately 4 centimeters away from the side seam. Find the center point of the curved edge and mark a point slightly below it. This is where we'll attach the fabric loop for the drawstring. Pin the raw edges of the fabric loop to the marked point. Cover the raw edges with the other side of the fabric loop and pin it in place. Sew around the entire loop to secure it. For added durability, sew around it a few times. Lock the stitches and turn the bag right side out. Cut two ropes, each 1.3 to 1.4 meters long. Use safety pins to thread the ropes through the casing. Go all the way around and come out on the same side. Thread through the fabric ears. Seal the rope ends by burning them slightly. Repeat the process with the second rope, starting from the opposite side. Finally, add 2 beads to the eyes for a highlight effect. Your drawstring bag for basketballs is now complete. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this easy DIY project. Subscribe to my channel for more creative crafts and tutorials. See you next time.